the last lecture, you were given a task. The task was to save these elements as these data structures, and then add another element, which was insertion, into the data structure. So I hope you guys tried it. It's pretty easy. I'm just going to solve it. So I'm going to solve it using list. So I hope you guys did it with other data structures. I'm just going to use list here. Let's do it. So let's say L is equal to hello everybody. Let's learn. Okay, so this is our list, and we have to update it by adding another element. The element was insertion or insertion. Right, so let's do that. So there are two ways of doing that. One is just simply L dot append, and then we just write insertion. And let's check L. Yeah. Oops. Insertion, the spellings were wrong. Okay. So another way of doing it is by just simply plus equals and right? Cool. Simple enough. So this was the solution. I'll see you guys in the next quiz. Thank you.